In this video, I'm going to show you how to save and access the emails sent from WordPress in your database. It doesn't matter if you've created your form with Contact Form 7, WP Forms, or any other plugin, you'll be able to see a list of all the emails here. By clicking on the title of each email, I'll be able to view the email message. Let's get started. First, go to the link provided in the video description and copy this code. We need to insert this code into WordPress. You can either paste it in your child themes functions.php file or use a plugin called Code Snippets. I'll be using this plugin. From the Snippets menu, click on Add New and paste the code here. Now, give it a title and click on the Save Changes and Activate button. If I reload the WordPress dashboard now, I'll see the Emails option. From now on, all the emails will be saved in this section. Let's submit a form on the site to test it out. You can see that the submitted email is added in this section. Since my site is on a local host, the email wasn't actually sent, which is why it says failed in the email title. This code saves all the emails, whether they were successfully sent or not. If you only want to save the unsuccessful emails, you can remove this part of the code. Alright, we're all set. Hopefully, you won't miss any important emails from your site's users anymore. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that more people can see it. Thank you for watching.